I see you alone. Eh?
Yes, sir.
In the spirit realm, you are not meant to be alone. What happened? What happened? What happened to the man? Tell me what happened. Sister, speak to me. What happened? Eh?
I don't know.
What happened? What happened? That this one will come and go. This one will come and go. This one. Here! Bring out. Right now, no one is coming except the married ones. Huh?
Onye teacher brodo.
Today, your case is settled.
Amen.
Oh, sure. These tears will turn to tears of